about the smell of Buddy's farts after.
You guys are glistening in the eyes.
It's gonna be coming out of your pores.
Zoom in on this guy.
Buddy is so hot right now.
Just went
He has no idea what's going
Your
on.
back can't even taste the water.
Does water have a taste?
Like I can't feel it.
Oh.
My mouth is numb.
Grabby, you're one down, right?
Wow.
Oh goodness.
Wait, what is the one I get?
Nothing.
He's eating it like a sandwich.
Yeah, I know. Is there anything riding on
So
this?
proper. Like paper towel on his lap.
Just needs a pinky up.
Corn
Yeah.
on the cob. Corn on the cob. Corn on the cob.
Grabby, give me a little pinky up when you take the next bite.
No.
Sorry, I didn't mean to break your concentration.
Oh my god.
Punker, did you get any after that first
Stronger
bite?
than the last one.
What is it?
Stronger.
How many bites you got there?
I think I've only managed a few bites.
Man.
It looks like you took half of one layer off.
Oh god. They're gonna burn. That's all I can say.
Should have made this like 20 minutes.
Dog, how's life? Switching to high life, huh? Uh-oh.
Oh,
No interference.
Greg or you?
buddy.
My face.
And he blew it.
Yeah, you want
That was
to
worse
be the
than
holder?
that.
That's an
Oh yeah, is it recording?
I'm gonna zoom in on anybody you like.
I'm switching onions.
He's got one bite.
Dude, half of this. Take that all in one.
You're switching the bet?
Cheers.
That was the weakest half ever. Look, dog. That's the weakest half ever.
That's not too shabby. Fucking onion.
Can't wait to watch Greg throw up.
Oh!
What?
Is that a burp? Oof.
Like a cough
Like
burp.
a dinosaur.
Yeah, if dinosaurs used to have onion eating contests. Can you imagine? Be hard for T-Rex with his itty bitty little
He
hands.
would tip right over.
You want to lick all the onions so we can't use them tomorrow?
Oh, oh buddy.
I don't like that way.
He is, from the bottom.
This is awful.
Here, hold this.
That first one was pretty easy. They're pretty hard now.
I could eat a dozen onions.
No, that's not gonna work.
I never said I could eat more than one.
You might not have to.
Buddy's eyes are rolling in the back of his head. Not good.
How much time do we have?
I think my my eyes are watering. Watching you.
8.
4.5 minutes.
Are
4:25 left.
How much?
Oh.
4:20.
Okay.
Going down.
Wow.
Gary, pitching that one, you got the win. Greg needs one more.
Just one, Greg. Just one.
No, you need a big one though.
Do it. You can do it.
Go a small one.
Oh man.
Who thought about this?
Ty.
Me? That wasn't me.
Oh.
You think so?
Yep.
Dog, don't cry. There's no crying in onion eating contests.
I'm pretty sure there's a lot of crying on you in contests.
Ah.
Oh.
So I gotta go for a small one or a big one?
Big one.
I think I need a big one.
Oh!
DQ! He's
Gross!
He's still eating that one.
More.
Clean up
Go for the
crew.
one. Go for the 11 o'clock one.
Dude, those small ones are potent.
So go for a big one then. And don't ask me because I'm
What,
not
my
eating.
retard?
Do we need
I don't know. You are engaged in an onion eating contest right now.
Can you take care of
No.
Leave it. Leave it.
I don't get it. She gets like good food.
Leave it, Diz.
Are we gonna extend this? to
Somebody gotta get on the road. It's
this is disgusting.
2 minutes 50 seconds left.
is sandwiched between burps. Just pass out. Just pass out. Greg, eat the crap out of one of those small onions.
Dude, these ones are huge. Those are big onions.
Yeah, but the big ones are less.
Either way, you got less than 2.5 minutes to do it.
I think Bradley already won.
Minnesota. 6 2/3 innings effort.
Dude,
Oh,
run
you still got
by.
time.
Against Tampa Bay.
But the stick in my mouth.
Run by.
Yeah, you can hold it in there all night.
That's what she said. He
You
said
want to make out right now?
it works, right?
Jeff Nelson and
Oh.
it's 2-2.
Sounds
Little mucusy.
Call by
Very
Nelson.
interesting. You enjoy all this?
Yep.
Nice.
Awesome.
Oh yeah. Got some good stuff.
Oh,
It is.
jeez.
Even
She does look like armpits, so I wouldn't take it as
Yeah. Probably something she's gonna be into.
That's awesome. He takes a big breath like he's gonna compose himself, and he goes,
Test out.
How much time's left?
Saturday nights for the Orioles.
"Not much.
Massive.
More than half."
Not bad.
Wait, it's just one. There we go.
Barry Thorne. Three-man booth.
So you gotta finish that onion, or most of it anyway.
You just lick the onion. You lick the onion.
What do you do? You like,
Dizzle, leave it.
watch out, there's a long barrel for onion.
I think she thinks that she wants it because she sees everyone eating them, but then she's like, "What the hell are you eating that for?"
Finishes less than 1 onion.
Oh, eat that onion.
We need to buy 5 bags at least.
I would eat so many. Gosh, I'm gonna eat like 18.
There he goes.
I'm gonna eat 18 hot dogs.
Ah, the hot dog eating
Grow
contest.
up.
Just a little in his mouth.
See, it's a thing. Yeah, you guys ready for some juicy Lutzy burgers?
With extra onions.
It's fair.
What are you doing, guy?
Dude, that's kind of interference, right?
That's definitely interference.
18, 17, 16,
Drop the whole thing in your
15,
Wanted to go to second base.
Yeah. 10.
10, 9,
Put it in
8,
your mouth, Greg. Go ahead.
7,
I dare you.
6, 5,
For the
4,
win.
3, 2, 1.
He's not gonna be able
For
to
the
bite
win.
it.
That's for the win.
If he can eat that.
Dude, he's eating. Alright,
If it comes up,
No hands.
if it comes up, you
dude.
lose it.
hands.
He's gonna snarf.
You can't.
What is snarf?
When it all comes up through your nose.
That's
You
awesome.
never snarfed before?
Oh, just,
How are you gonna eat that with no hands?
It looks like a turkey, like a
So
Thanksgiving
big.
turkey.
Yeah.
It looks like a ball gag.
I was gonna say, Greg's into some kinky
fuck it,
shit.
stick it in his ass. I bet you won't know.
You
Oh,
wouldn't finish
thanks.
that giant gumball. You're not gonna be finished.
That's like the worst tasting jawbreaker ever.
There you go.
Oh, you look at the guy from Police Academy.
This is like a scene out of Pulp Fiction.
Can you push it to the side?
Can you chew right through it? Or
Right there.
Dude, swallow it whole.
oh, then the front half will
What
be.
do you mean?
If you die eating that, then you don't win.
Expand
It
your.
will not be put on your grave in your
Right.
tombstone.
You just qualified if you die.
But you will be on 1,000 Ways to Die.
Yeah.
You're gonna sit there. You're gonna sit
And this
there
will be
all night
number
and you're
one.
gonna chew it.
Dude, this.
Good luck.
Oh, here he goes.
I'm so glad that's not me.
Watch out the glasses.
Use gravity. Use gravity to help you.
Yeah, there you go.
It's gonna fall out.
I just saw some bubbling out this side, though. That was awesome.
This is gonna get so many hits on YouTube.
Oh, there it is!
It's gonna come out. That's gonna come out.
Here
No,
we
it's
go.
not.
No, no.
Slide it-
That's,
yeah,
that's
get
legit.
Get that back in.
Put on the plate. You gotta finish that.
Oh,
Well,
that would've
measure
been
it first.
awesome if you flipped that back.
Oh.
Diz.
I thought for sure you had it.
Oh, that was awesome.
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Jesus. And does that even bother your lip?
No,
Not
we
in
need some
time.
paper towels though.
Oh, that was a gay double play.
Alright, are we done?
Yeah.
Oh, that was one of the
Oh,
scariest
he's
things I've
finishing
ever
that.
witnessed.
Do we weigh these now?